This video teaches you how to insert a checkmark icon into a cell in a Microsoft Excel document. Click the cell into which you want to insert a checkmark. Open the Symbols dialog box. Click the Insert tab. Click the Symbols menu at the top right corner. Click Symbol. Click the Font menu and select Wingdings. This displays special characters you can insert into your spreadsheet. Scroll through the characters and select the checkmark. Alternative, you can type 252 into the character code box if using Wingdings. If you don't see this font, use Seago UI symbol instead. Click Symbol. Click the Font menu and select Seago UI symbol instead. Type 2714 into the character code box. Click the Insert button. This inserts the checkmark into the selected cell. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.